LA, the measuring unit in Germany, was used to measure. The correct answer is A, cloth. Next, the headquarters of United Nations is at. The correct answer is C, New York. The United Nations is headquartered in New York City is a complex designed by the Board of Architects led by Warren Harrison and built by Harrison and Abramovich. Next, Zollverein started in Prussia refers to A. The correct answer is B. Customs unions. Zollverein is a German custom union established in 1834 under the leadership of Prussia. Next, what do the saints, angels, and Christ symbolize in the utopian visions? The correct answer is B. Fraternity among nations. Next, who were the Junkers? The correct answer is B. Large landowners. The large landowners in Prussia were known as Junkers. Next, which treaty recognized Greece as an independent nation? The correct answer is A. Treaty of Constantinople 1832. This treaty was signed between Britain, France and Russia on one side and Ottoman Empire on other side. Next question. By which of the following treaties was United Kingdom of Great Britain formed? The correct answer is B. Act of Union. Next question. Which of the following group of powers collectively defeated Napoleon? The correct answer is C. Austria, Prussia, Russia, Britain. Next. Romanticism refers to A. The correct answer is A. Cultural movement. Romanticism is a cultural movement focused on mystical feeling and emotion. Next. Which one of the following types of government was functioning in France before the Revolution of 1789? The correct answer is D. Monarchy. Monarchy means the government ruled by a single person. Next, which of the following countries is considered as a cradle of European civilization? The correct answer is C. Greece. Greece is considered as a cradle of European civilization because it gave birth to every aspect of culture. Next, choose the correct nationality of artistic Frederick Surio, who visualized in his painting a society made up of democratic and social republic. The correct answer is B. Swiss. Next, nationalism, which emerged as a force in the late 19th century, means. The correct answer is A. Strong devotion for one's own country and its history and culture. Next, match the term with statements given below. A utopian society is. The correct answer is B. It is a society that is unlikely to ever exist and a society under the control of a chosen few wise men. Next, pick out the correct definition to define the term plebiscite. The correct answer is D. Plebiscite is a direct vote by which all the citizens of a region are asked to accept or reject a proposal. Next, Ernest Renan believed that existence of nations is a necessity because. The correct answer is B. It ensures the liberty to all inhabitant citizens. Next, which of the following countries did not attend the Congress of Vienna? The correct answer is D. Switzerland. The Congress of Vienna is headed by the PrEP, that is Prussia, Austria, Britain and Russia. So it is not attended by Switzerland. Next, the first great revolution which gave to clear idea of nationalism with its core words liberty, equality, and fraternity was? The correct answer is B. French Revolution. The French Revolution was started on 5th May 1789 and ended on 9th November 1799.